Have you ever wondered how chemical bonds are formed? For the first time ever, scientists have watched atoms coming together to bond in real time. A research team from Graz University of Technology in Austria used a smart trick to slow things down. They took magnesium atoms and placed them inside supercold helium droplets. Yes, we're talking almost absolute zero. These helium droplets act like tiny refrigerators, keeping the atoms still and apart. Then, zap. A laser pulse triggered the atoms to move and start bonding. And just as the atoms began to form a cluster, the scientists used a second laser to track what happened next. Guess what they saw? The atoms were sharing energy, a process called energy pooling. They all passed their energy to one atom, which jumped into a high-energy state. That's never been seen before in real time. This amazing discovery could help us in the future, like improving solar energy, or even medical lasers. All thanks to understanding how atoms bond 1 femtosecond at a time.